Hello, welcome to our videos. Business today is more difficult to maintain amid COVID-19. In the past, people were free to travel around the world to make sure they are cooperating with the right and good companies. Particularly, the situation in China. Traveling to China means really high cost not only in the financial range but also in time. It will cost you a lot if you want to develop a helping sources in person. But Chinese manufacturing is still an ideal choice for many people. So here we are to provide a reliable one-stop solution for your construction projects, letting you free from all of the fussy problems. We have worked with many overseas customers. Australia is one of our major markets. From our clients, we know that labor cost peaks this year in Australia, and that is the pain point in the construction industry. When I deal with Australian projects, reducing the installation difficulty is the way we're working toward. We try to make the installation at the site as easy and quickly as possible. That is to say, we figure out most of the work in China, and what our clients receive are our prefabricated products. We also improve the mechanical structure to simplify the work, like connections. We use modular or insert connection to minimize the building process as much as possible. For one project, there are tons of things to communicate, improve, and confer according to different scenarios. Whether it's top release that should be cared for. Typically, when the project is in other environment that is equal to sunlight, rain, and wind. If it's in the marine environment like most of these places in Australia, the surface treatment and material of the products are actually setting the lifespan of the projects. The corrosion which is related to resource base and strong organic base, as well as the stability during the changing weather, are the basic consideration in whatever kinds of material you choose. If you choose stainless steel, film system is the priority, which is pure in the corrosion resistant. Usually we don't suggest use 304 stainless steel for outdoor application, because in the industrial marine urban region, 304 is less stable and more easily to be converted because it does not show any passivation behavior to resist the rust, whereas 316 does. If you choose aluminum material, normally fluorocarbon coating is adopted in the surface treatment to improve the ability of corrosion resistance. Besides, the strength of PVD and spray coating also lay in a high brightness film coating, strong weather resistance, and high maintenance of color. It plays a continual role in color insurance that can last for 10 to 15 years. Time is invaluable to many of you, and more often, one project consists of many different customized products. This is exhausting to communicate with different suppliers for different products. To save your time and free you up from troubles, we provide one-stop and customized project solution ranging from railing, fencing, windows, and facades. All your work can be started simultaneously and efficiently. In every stage and process, you will be updated with the project to make sure every detail is in line with your requirement. That's all for our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!